Now, South Africa. And the miracle of what people call the Commission. There's a story that many of you are familiar with, including myself. South Africa, a country divided by race, two sides at war, no clear victory, no sight, no clear end, no defeat, no possibility. Two great men, and they agree to end it. One black, one white. It ends in settlement. The settlement leads to peace. And then we have this thing called the Commission. All is guilty, hence we're all innocent. This is the version of events that I tell you is true. It's not a lie. But it's only one version of history and complexity that makes this thing true, that creates truth. Now, what I want to speak to you here tonight about is the modism word, that thing that we don't easily just explain away quickly. The ordinary experience when history becomes embodied in the individual and the collectives that we as individuals make, create, we foster, sometimes violently, sometimes it just happens. When I was asked by Theron, so how does one take up the decision? Perfectly organized, color-coded, geographically specific, economically disorganized, socially distorted, psychologically unequal, militarized, and in short, almost violently normal. So consequences. Consequences that we still are only beginning to process right now. Whether we give you the nice story or the bad story or the one in the middle or the one on the two edges, we're still dealing and we're still processing what peace means right now on the bodies of generations of human beings, on our country, but also like children thinking that playing God is not so difficult. In fact, it's easy, it's here, right now. Now I'm constructing a story. I know that. And I'm simplifying and I'm leaving out chunks of reality and information. Those types of hell that we create as human beings with pretty laws and lies that say they include fair play, the Geneva Conventions, and the delusion that we are so, and makes no sense. Now, when we returned to our country, we crossed the borders of other countries. Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Botswana, South Africa, Cape Town, a quarter continent away. The local conditions South Africa